It's that time of year to let your long-range drones roam free. And Rebel Mini Quads developed a new platform to take your endurance flights to the next level. Rebel's development team has a long history of pushing the limit, and this season, we're going big. The Rebel Mini Quads Yeti was designed to fly faster, farther, and longer. The Yeti is a big quad and it hauls big batteries, and it doesn't sacrifice efficiency, speed, or stick feel. Due to a feature-packed design with RAW FPV performance at the heart of it all. Whether you're diving chutes, surfing ridge lines, or just railing parks, the Yeti brings solid performance on a larger prop. The Yeti has 10mm thick carbon fiber arms, and they're anchored in 3 different positions per arm into a solid aluminum bracket. The Yeti sports a super slammed top deck battery. This pulls the quad's mass closer to the center, increasing flight agility and also decreasing tuning hassle. We know how much it sucks to get back from an awesome day of flying, pull the SD card, and just have it be filled with jello-ridden shots. Addressing this issue is a unique isolated camera pod designed to isolate the GoPro from those nasty, high-frequency vibrations that typically sabotage either your onboard or your post-stabilization efforts. The Yeti is a long-range platform at heart, and to stay true to that, the antenna placement is highly optimized for peak RF performance. With tall vertical antenna mount, an included SMA extension, and an aluminum VTX heatsink, expect stronger controlling, better video, and higher confidence when you're pushing your FPV to the ultimate limit. All right, we've gone through the technical stuff. Let's go burn some lithium. Ready to see how a pro launches his drone? Ride this ridge.
Already?
I'm just shy of the top.